How to make $1,000 a day on ClickBank with a 3-step system. That's what we're going to find out today, whether this product from ClickBank is legit. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? My name is Tay. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be talking about a ClickBank product called Commission Hero and whether it's worth checking out at the end of 2019 going into 2020. So, how to make $1,000 per day on ClickBank with this 3 simple step method. So for starters, who is the creator of this product? The man in charge of making this product name is Robby Blanchard. Robby Blanchard is a #1 top affiliate on ClickBank. He makes anywhere between $20K and $50K per day on the ClickBank platform, which to me is impressive. Robby Blanchard runs his own CrossFit training gym and has started his own company, Blanchard Media, where he offers personal coaching as well as live seminars. So guys, Robby Blanchard is a real person. He's a legit person who does make a lot of money on ClickBank. He's not just some guy that came out of the blue making bold claims. He does really show proof of his earnings. So, what is Commission Hero? This is a course about running Facebook ads to affiliate offers on ClickBank. The focus of this course is promoting offers primarily in the health and wellness niche, but Robby also talks about other profitable niches as well as other affiliate networks that you can use besides ClickBank. So, like I said earlier, he does run a fitness gym and his specialty is fitness, so it will come natural for him to promote fitness products. He primarily does focus on ClickBank, but he does talk about other affiliate networks like MaxWeb and Software Project. He also mentions a CPA network. I'll let you, if you decide to get the course, you can check that out, which CPA network it is. But he talks about using Facebook for CPA offers as well. If you're not familiar with CPA, it stands for cost per action, and with these networks it typically is a little bit harder to get in. You either have to do a little mini interview and get accepted, or you have to pay your way in. The way it works with CPA networks is that you don't necessarily have to get somebody to buy a product. If you send them leads and they get maybe emails or they take a survey or they click on a website, you can get paid as well. Now with CPA networks, you don't get paid as much as a affiliate offer on something like ClickBank, but it is easier to, I guess, make money with a CPA offer because you don't have to actually make a sale. So moving on from this, what do you actually get from Commission Hero? So you see, on the right side, I have a quick screenshot of the members area. Now I don't want to go and give out everything, so I'm just going to go ahead and, like I said, just provide this quick screenshot of basically what each module is and I'll explain pretty much what you get from it. So first up, you have choosing the right offers, which Robby shows you which offers to promote while showing you a few good examples. So basically, like I said earlier, he does do primarily health and fitness and wellness and stuff like that. So he will show you those offers. He'll show you the best ones that you can actually make money with. But he does show you some other ones as well. Next one is finding your ad image. This is where he teaches you the importance of having a good image for your Facebook ad. You also get access to some of Robby's best images as well as who he goes to get high quality images created. Robby also shows you how to turn images into videos for even higher click-through rates, which is a plus because visuals are everything, especially when it comes to creating your ads. Next one is setting up a landing page. This teaches you about landing pages and also gives you high quality done for you landing pages, which are customizable, which is a plus because you figure there's going to be tons of other people using this course, which means they'll be using those same landing pages. So having the ability to actually change things up is a bonus. Next up is setting up Facebook. And this teaches you how to set up a Facebook page and a Facebook ads account. You'll also learn the importance of targeting your audience, which when it comes to using Facebook, you will be spending money creating these ads. So it's important to make sure you target the right people so that you're not wasting your money. The next one is setting up a Facebook pixel. And this teaches you how to set up the Facebook pixel, which is a key component to any Facebook ad campaign, which it is because it tracks your sales. I mean, you need a way to be able to track what's going on, and you need that Facebook pixel, or you'll pretty much be doing this blind. The next one is track your campaign. This teaches you how to track your links, basically. Then you have scaling, which teaches you how to take a successful offer that's actually making you sales and scale it up, which is a bonus. Next, you have Ninja Tactics, where Robby shares a few of his tactics for better affiliate conversions. And then he has his bonuses, basically where Robby does an over-the-shoulder walkthrough of a Facebook campaign. And if you don't know what over-the-shoulder means, it's like if you asked your buddy to show you how to do something and you stood behind him and watched him as he did it. That's basically what it means. He also provides you some landing page templates and some examples of good ad copy that you could use to really reel people in to click on your ad. Some other things that's included is access to Robby's private Facebook group. Now, the one thing about like when you see like certain affiliate products or whatever, they'll offer like a private Facebook group as like added, that's supposed to be like added value to the course. But really, a lot of times they just have it. It's just a Facebook group for you to add, and you'll join it, and you won't get any help. You won't get any support. It'll just be a bunch of people asking questions with nobody getting answers. But with Robby's private Facebook group, it's pretty active, and if you need support, you'll get it. So that's something that you can look forward to if you decide to get this course, and also live training. He does provide additional live training, and you also get access to one-on-one coaching with him if you request it. So that's also there too. So the pros of actually getting this course. Commission Hero is a complete course, and he goes through everything when it comes to Facebook ads. And a lot of courses that you see online will be like watered down versions. Like they'll give you the bare minimum. Like you'll know how to navigate Facebook ads, but you won't really know how to use Facebook ads and really make money with Facebook ads. A lot of people who make these courses are afraid because you are competition. They're teaching you how to do what they do, so they don't give you everything. But this course breaks down everything, so you don't have to worry about missing anything. The lessons are broken down to where they're easy to understand and implement, which is a plus, because when it comes to Facebook ads, it can be overwhelming really quickly. So having things broken down to where it's easy enough for you to actually take action is a bonus. Like I said earlier, the dedicated Facebook group, I mean, you're actually going to get support. So if you have questions, you will get answers. And again, like I mentioned, the ability to schedule a one-on-one, because sometimes you just need some extra help, and he's willing to help you. And he has years of experience with this because that's part of what he does with his business. Something I didn't mention earlier is it comes with a 12-month success guarantee. So things like this is going to take you time. And with a lot of programs out there, they'll give you like a 30-day with like real strict conditions. With this, he gives you a 12-month success guarantee. So if within 12 months you're not seeing any result, you will get your money back. So that's something that you also have forward to look to, which is something that's rare in products. You don't see that a lot at all. And something else that I didn't mention earlier, which gets a lot of people, and that is that Robby addresses Facebook ad accounts getting shut down and how to deal with it so that you can get back up and running. So he basically shows you through the Facebook Business Ad Manager how you can get set up with multiple campaigns. So if you get one, so one of your campaigns is shut down, you can get up and running just like that. So that stunts a lot of people. Like, I ran a campaign and I actually asked, I went to support and asked to make sure what I was doing was right. And, I pretty much followed the guidelines and started the campaign. And within a couple of days, it was shut down and that account was banned. And it's like, well, I followed the rules, but Facebook is really finicky when it comes to running ads, and it's really easy to get flagged and banned. So it's good that he addresses this, and it's good that he shows you a way to get around it so that you're not missing out on any money. So the cons. The price is the first one, and probably the biggest one. Commission Hero comes in at $9.97, or you can split it in two payments of $5.97. Either way, it's pretty steep for most people. Then there's the additional expenses. On top of paying for the course, you still have to pay money for the ad campaign itself. Now, the good thing about Facebook is you can start with as low as $5 and then scale up from there. But still, you got to take that into consideration when you're also adding in that expensive price for the course itself. And I mentioned earlier, Facebook has, for Facebook ad rather, has like a little bit of a learning curve to it, and it could take you a while to actually learn it because there is a lot there. So, coming to the end of this, who is Commission Hero for? So, this is for people who are serious about making money online. People who are willing to invest and dedicate their time at least a few hours a day. Like, this isn't like a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to make money overnight with this. I mean, it's really going to take some time to get this set up and working properly. And people who are willing to actually invest money, because again, you're running ads and you're going to be spending money. So I would say maybe between $200 and $300 a month. Now, if you're planning on taking money, like withholding bills or something like that, and you want to buy this course expecting this course to work for you like within the next couple days or weeks or whatever, I wouldn't waste my time. There's a lot of people who do that. Like, they'll hold off on some of their expenses to pay for a course, hoping that it will make them some quick money overnight, and that's just not the case. This isn't one of those courses. Like, this is really going to take you time, but once you get it set up, like, it's going to make you money. It's going to make you money, but again, it's going to take time, and it's going to take a little bit of an investment to actually get this thing up and running. So, if you're willing to invest in time and you're willing to invest in a little bit of money that's not going to hurt you as far as like paying your bills and stuff, then I would definitely check this out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to a live webinar, which is going to actually explain everything to you in a little bit more detail. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. But this is all I got for today. Guys, if you found this useful, go ahead and hit that like button, share this out, and subscribe for more, guys. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Take care.